All right, happy Tuesday morning, Monday night. Been working hard on code. Just finished another one of the footsie sites. So things are looking really good. We've got complete full cart checkouts on all these sites. I've got people testing. Some of my beta testers are out there crunching with their credit cards and doing their stuff and making purchases. A few of them are going to be starting to do drops. A few of it, suggest that I join them on the drops, but that's not my game. I write the software. Anyway, so things are looking good. I want to try to keep the distribution limited so people, we're not, throwing so many people out there that they don't have support, because support's important. As things change and videos, the supporting of the people who use the product is very important to me, as opposed to just throwing something out there and wishing them the best of luck. Anyway, so if you see this, lots of progress. Join the Discord channel, the queue. If you buy if you buy a license, you'll be invited into the NinjaBot channel. And so there we are. I'm going to limit the licenses because I really just don't want to be too distracted. I want everyone to be successful at this, and if we just have them out too cheaply, then no one will be successful. So that's my goal at this point in time. If you have a chance, come on over and check it out. I've got, like I said, I think all the major footsie sites done. I'm going into collectible sites right now, so if you're into high-end collectibles and swapping those or flopping those out, you might want to join and get the bot. Anyway, lots of sites to cover. The major ones are done. Look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Have a Tuesday night, Monday morning. Anyway, I'm not quite sure because, I'm living the programmer's life. Just constantly working. Have a good one. Bye-bye.